are here at Terra Santa Church. So after the Mass, you will see this. The Filipinos and Nepalis, they are selling their vegetables, eggs, and everything. Ayan, may mga kakanins. Ayan. Ibang lahi. And Yolanda, the beautiful lady. With Denise. Hello! Vlog. Welcome to my vlog.
Hi.
Denise. Yes. Hi. Hello. And Madam May, the beautiful Melrose. Let's go, Mel.
Sa Greek.
And Joseph. Joseph yun. Titinda. O, diba? Nakabenta. Galing mag-sales daw. So, ayan, ganyan. Yes! Alis kami!